convenient way to share health data from your phone is to connect your app to Mighty45. We begin on the client dashboard by clicking on the hamburger menu and selecting Set up Health Kit. On the Health Access screen, we can choose to share all data or individual data points and clicking Allow. HealthKit has now been connected to Mighty45. This message states that any future changes to these permissions will have to take place from your phone's privacy settings. Please note that if you purchase a new device, this process will have to be repeated. To disconnect HealthKit, we begin by going to your phone's settings, then navigating to Privacy, Health, and selecting Mighty45. Here we can choose to stop sharing all data points or specific data points.